a wonderful world of weather. Did you know that there is a layer of air around our planet? This layer is called the atmosphere. It protects us from the sun's rays. When the sunlight warms the atmosphere, air swirls around the world. It is this movement of air that makes all our wonderful weather happen. Today, the weather is sunny, there are no clouds, there is no rain, the wind is light, the sun shines bright in the clear blue sky. Sunny days often happen in summertime, but when the temperature is hot, but they can happen in winter too, when it might be frosty and cold. Look at these fluffy clouds. As they move across the sky, the clouds hide the sun. Without the sun's warmth, it becomes cooler. Clouds form when the sun warms the ocean. Water vapor rises into the air. As it cools, it changes into tiny droplets of water and ice. This is what clouds are made of. Inside the dark clouds, the water droplets have grown bigger. They are now too heavy to stay in the air. Splish, splash, plop, plop, raindrops fall back to earth. It's time to put on the umbrella. When the weather is cooler, ice crystals form inside clouds. These stick together to make snowflakes. When they become big and heavy, the snowflakes begin to fall. Every snowflake has 6 sides. Every snowflake is different. Sometimes it's too cold for rain and not cold enough for snow. Sleet is a mixture of rain and snow. It starts to melt as it falls to the earth. Hailstones are lumps of ice that form in thunderclouds. Some are tiny, some are bigger than tennis balls. Thunderclouds are large, dark, and menacing. Rain, hail, thunder, and lightning all come from thunderclouds. When the particles inside the thunderclouds bash together, lightning appears. It flashes from cloud to cloud. Lightning also leaps down to the ground. Thunder is the sound lightning makes. Frost only appears after cloudless, clear nights, when the temperature drops below 0 degrees. This is when water freezes. Frost is frozen water vapor. This spider is decorated with sparkly, twinkly frost. Meanwhile, the puddle of water has frozen hard. Watch out! The ice is very slippery. Mist happens when clouds are so low that it touches the ground. When the cloud is very thick, it is called fog. It is very difficult to see. Everyone must take care. Everyone must take great care when the weather is foggy. Cars travel slowly. Sometimes airplanes do not fly. The sun warms some parts of Earth's atmosphere more than others. When air is warm, it rises. Meanwhile, cool air sinks. Wind happens because the air moves. There are different strengths to winds. Sometimes it is a light breeze. Sometimes it's very strong. Sometimes the wind blows so hard it is hard to walk. A hurricane is an enormous storm. The wind is so strong that it can damage houses and blow down trees. Sometimes a hurricane makes the sea wash over the land. This causes flooding. Did you know that hurricanes, typhoons, and cyclones are the same thing? This storm has different names in different parts of the world. A tornado is a spinning column of air. Sometimes happens when there is a thunderstorm. The wind is so strong that it can pick up buildings, trees, cars, and animals. A waterspout is a tornado that forms over the sea. Ooh. When sunshine hits raindrops, the sun's light is split into different colors. A rainbow of red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet light are across the sky. Watch out for the double rainbows. These happen when the sunlight is scattered twice by each raindrop.